In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a new page in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized page that's ready for notes, projects, or anything else you need. Start by opening your Notion workspace from the sidebar or your main dashboard. This brings you into the area where all your pages and content live. On the left, in the sidebar, find and click the plus. Add a page button. Notion will open a fresh page canvas so you can begin building right away. At the top of the new page, type a clear, descriptive title. This becomes the name you'll see in the sidebar, so pick something that makes it easy to find later. Just below the title, you can choose a template if you want a pre-made layout, or select empty page to start from scratch. Templates are great when you want structure immediately. Think meeting notes, to-do lists, or project briefs, while an empty page gives you full creative control. Now, add text by clicking anywhere on the page and typing. Notion is built around blocks, which means every paragraph, list, or media item is its own block that you can move or transform. To speed things up, type a / to open the block menu. From here, you can insert headings for clear section titles, bulleted or numbered lists for tasks and ideas, tables for structured data, and images to add visual context. As you type, you can also navigate with your arrow keys to select the exact block you want. To give your page a little personality and make it easier to spot, add an icon by clicking. Add icon near the page title. Choose from an emoji or a custom image. Then, add a cover photo by clicking. Add cover at the top of the page. Covers help set the tone and make the page feel more polished. Organize your content into sections using headings and dividers. Use a large heading for the main section title, smaller headings for subsections, and keep related content grouped beneath them. Drop in dividers to create visual breaks, especially between different topics or phases of a project. This structure makes scanning and updating your page much faster. When you're done for now, you can simply close the page or head back to the sidebar. Notion saves automatically, so your new page and all of your changes are stored without you needing to hit a save button. That's it. You've created and customized a new Notion page that's clean, useful, and ready to evolve with your work.